I am a little sweaty and hot and some more sweaty. Just got done running and doing abs, getting ready for racing in a couple of months or whatever. Can't think how. August, late August, unless dates change, whatever. But we're not working on the rally car. Anything to do with that, if you know how to read. Yeah, you can read the title and what this is about. But in a minute, be going through that. Got a couple things. Got my that's what I'm looking for. Chop saw, new blades, couple of them, because the other one was completely tore up. And the bandsaw is not, it's good for some things. It's quiet, a lot quieter than that. But it's slow and it doesn't cut as very straight over a period of time with like tubes and stuff. It just kind of, the blade just kind of tweaks a little and it's all, I was crooked. But yeah, tweaks and whatnot. I mean, there's adjustments on I can't think about it. You can see right here, a knob here. There's a knob on this side. What the problem is how it's set up. It bumps into it so it doesn't fully go down. But moving on, got blades for that guy. There's not a ton of tubing cutting coming up because the roll cage is done pretty much. But there might be a couple other things like finishing the lifting framing, rear lifting framing protection support mount, whatever. Also, I got another one of the Dodge book doohickeys. I can't think of the name. The same one in here, or whoops. There goes another scraper dent. That one's, oh no, maybe they are the same. Maybe it's just because it's cleaner. But I got, that's the original, what is it? Information booklet, whatever you want to call it, holder. I'm gonna put one on my side, driver's side, as well. One more thing before we get to the highlight of the show is why am I doing that? That was pointless. I couldn't remember if the inner, like, I don't know how dark you can see, how, if you can see over there, there's no like a door card type of thing going on. So what I did maybe last night, I think, is traced out the, like the, this, wow, I can't think, the window regulator pretty much. That guy traced it out, pretty much fit real well. I used the bandsaw to cut it mainly out. I mean, the edges are a little rough, but I might have to just get like a, man, I don't got my words. My mind is fried from working today and running. Yeah. A edge remover, whatever. I think there's a better, I know there's a name for it, but I got this done. It's not too bad. You know, it's got its mistakes, but whatever. I don't know if I'm going to redo it or keep it and just clean it up and make it a little more presentable. Like get rid of the paint marker or paint pen. There we go. But it turned out pretty nice. So I'm happy with it. Again, I don't remember if it's required to have door cards on the rear or if it's just the front. I knew the front was required, which not a big deal. I already planned on it. I thought I heard a noise. Whatever. But yeah, the highlight of the show is omniwall. I ordered, I don't know if you've seen it in recent videos, but I got one, a 16 by 16 inch over here. I ended up getting the black one. Pervs, don't be weird. And then I ended up going back on a month ago or whatever amount of time, and they had this limited edition lime green, I think it was. Kind of a little lighter than the color, but you know, it's green for kind of the theme color of the team logo. And then match black with it. And I got these like wrench racks at the same time, and a couple of these just basic posts. But basically what's better about these than a pegboard is, I don't know if they're, oh right, there's a better example, is like you got these slots and whatnot that lock in. I'll show you better when I put, I got 4 more of these, this color, and I got 2 shelves, and I'm gonna put it in the spot down there. But the difference is you can see all these slots and whatnot, and then you got the little hole, and they got these like plastic push that keeps it from, you know, coming out, versus how like a basic pegboard would be is you put your whatever in the pegboard, and if you bump it, most of the time it just bloop, pops out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm going to unbox this stuff, show you what I got, and then gonna do a time lapse installing it, and then give a basic review, first time, well, over time review and installation, whatever, a random review, because I've had them a little while. I've had them a little while, and I'm, you know, gaining more because I have ran out of floor space. It's a mess everywhere, and I am at the point where I'm going up the walls. Hopefully I don't get to the point where I'm at the ceiling, because I don't even know at that point. Hopefully we're not there. Hopefully we got a really, really big shop if it gets to that point, or I'm gonna start using the ceiling. Right, okay. I'm gonna unbox this stuff, and maybe I'll just get to work, I don't know. So here we go. Okay, here it is. I got the shelves on, and plain and okay. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to be because he bought one. Whatever. But I'm happy with it. It's about what I envisioned. Basically, pretty much what's going up here is boxes full of parts and miscellaneous stuff and whatnot. On the shelves up high because I can't remember what the distance is. It might be like 12 inches plus whatever the distance, the thickness of the wall. And I'm back. Whatever I just said, something about the thickness of the wall. But basically, usually what it is kind of like this concept where, I mean, these are just kind of like hooks, but basically it just hooks in, and then you got like this, the push, push plastic Christmas tree, push it in. Now, obviously you push that all the way in. I'm not going to do it because I don't know where I want to put things, but if you can see up there, if it's not too dark, you can see there, and there's another one up higher, and they attach by screw bolt type of things with rivet on the other side, which is really nice. All I can think of is like a cord go through there or something like that for, I mean, they pretty much designed this to have options and options and options of what you want to do. But honestly, I had something that was really all it is I think the basic complaint and anything is I wish the installation was a little easier. I've done it a couple other times, so it was easier, but what am I looking for? But you know, after you do it once or twice or something like that, you kind of get the way of doing it. You probably saw when I was putting this together, you know, kind of how I started to do it, and then, you know, got annoyed because I kind of changed what I was doing, then went back to it. A good design, there's a lot of options. I got about $500 worth of stuff, accessories, some more walls to put in different spots, and, you know, accessories to go on. But I like the design. These are powder coated. I don't know if I said the color, but this is like a limited edition lime green. So I think I did say that, but I'm pretty much gonna buy them up as long as they're being offered right now. But also I gotta get parts for this bad girl behind me. I'm happy with it. More to come. I'm not sponsored whatsoever. I don't think I said that, but I really like their product, and pretty much any product I get, I am literally not sponsored. But omniwall, if you're interested in sponsored, I'll take it because I love the product, and I honestly probably wouldn't use anything different. That's kind of how I am with most stuff. But yeah, I would appreciate it because I got a couple races coming up, and I would like to do the same thing for like a parts wall, you know, use it in a race trailer as well. I think it would work good, especially with these secure clips, pins, whatever you want to call them. You know, just a lot of options. So that's it. I'm going to go in because it's probably late. And, you know, thanks for watching. Go to omniwall.com, omniwall USA. I don't know if it, go there. If I remember, I'll put it in the description, a link. Again, I'm not sponsored, but I like their product and I'm happy with it, and I'll continue to use them until the end of time, pretty much. Thanks for watching. See you next time.